Some of the biggest breakthroughs in my life showed up because I chose to be of service. And this is how. I'm Brian Ford, and welcome to Self-Improvement Daily. Some incredible things have been materializing in my life recently, and all of it comes back to one thing: being helpful. As I look back at how the dots have connected, I can trace it back to specific moments where I went out of my way to help others. It's a classic trail of supporting one person here, which got me an invite there, which got me in a specific room where I met a specific person who made an introduction for me, which opened a new door, and the rest is history. While I'm thinking a lot about this right now, this isn't new to me. Having an intention to be helpful is something I've imperfectly tried to thread into everything I do. It's an intention to serve others, to be abundant, and go above and beyond to support people in ways that the average person wouldn't or doesn't think it makes sense to. Now, I'm not sharing this to virtue signal, but to share that there's something about this that just works. It's wild to see how things come full circle, and one completely unrelated detail becomes a key piece of what's to come. Being helpful causes something bigger to happen that's hard to explain. I'm also not sharing this to say that you should be helpful just because it benefits you. Even though that's what happens, it's not a reason to do it. When you give to get, it has a certain energy to it. It makes you look for ways to cash in on the good karma before it's had time to take hold. The most powerful ways the universe works is through the unpredicted, unexpected channels it opens up for you on your behalf. That's why it's not enough to just be helpful. You also must have faith. Faith that what goes around comes around. Faith that the fastest path to making your dream come true is by making other people's dreams come true first. Faith that doing the right thing is always the right thing, and that no matter what, you'll always be taken care of. That's the spirit of true, genuine generosity. That's what makes you abundant, and that's what makes you a magnet for value in the world. Because the universe trusts you to steward the goodness it has to offer and get it flowing in the right direction. I'm committed to finding more ways to be helpful, being of service, and stop getting in the way of the bigger plan that the universe has in store for me. Again, I don't do it perfectly. I have my faults, my mistakes, my ego, and my moments of scarcity. But the more I override that and give, the more fulfillment and purpose I'm given. I'm Brian Ford, and you grew today. Let's do it again tomorrow on Self-Improvement Daily.